I'm gonna show you how I dampa the food. So first I take my hand like this. Then this plastiko in Philippines. It's a rubber band. So look how I dampa. I will bring it right here. So, okay. So okay, I bring it right here. So guys, that's how I do it. So I'm gonna video my friend that she don't know how to dampa. So here's the vid of my friend. Go. Go, Ben. I'm gonna teach my friend how to dampa. So first, keep your hands like this, copy my side and copy this side. Okay? So you do that. Okay, this one. Then you copy in the other thing, copy this. Then try it. So that's kind of the dampa. Okay, so dampa here in practice till the video ends. So you have me. No, you have me. You have so gate, yeah. Go, so let's go. So the dampa. Okay, so bye bye to my friend, guys, and bye bye. Terus